Hi guys, it's Fanny from Creation by Favi. Welcome back. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by and welcome. Today I have a 3 DIYs, easy and quick to do like always, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. So let's get started. I'm going to be using those Christmas tree cones from dollar stores, some ribbons from dollar store, and also this buffalo check ribbon that I got it from Walmart. So first I start removing the garlands on the cones or trees, just like so. And now I'm going to be repeating the same step with all, as you can see. And now I'm going to be applying a little bit of white paint that I already have a while ago. And I'm going to just give it like light coat just to not have those bright colors on it. So now I'm going to start it with the first one. So the first one I'm going to be doing is just cutting the ribbon in the same size of tree or cone, as you can see. So I basically used the entire roll, or yeah. So I started gluing it, so just like so. And now I'm going to be doing the same thing over and over. Just like so. And now I'm going to be using some twine, and I'm going to be just creating like a little flower. So first I just wrap it around on my fingers and then just create like a simple bow, and then just kind of mess it up a little bit. So I made two, and then I just glued it across, and voila, look at the beautiful flower. So I glued it on top to the cone or tree, and then I also added a little pearl that I have for my jewelry supplies. Just like so. And I think that one came out really cute. That's it for the first one. And now for the second tree, I'm going to be using the buffalo check ribbon, and I'm going to be just cutting couple pieces, smaller pieces, as you can see, like that. Then I'm going to be folding in half, and then I'm going to just cut it like 3 times on the middle, just to create that, I don't know how you say it, like ruffle. And then I cut it like bunch. So then I start gluing on the bottom, just each by one, just like so. But then I thought, no, I need to find an easy way to glue these pieces, and so I came out with this. So I just glue a couple pieces on the roll together, just like so, and then ooh, look at that. It's so quick and easy to glue on the tree. Beautiful as it is right now, but I need to add this some extra things. So I'm going to be using some twine, and I'm going to add it ornaments. Yes, ornament. So I create like a little loops, just like so, just wrapping around on my finger, glue it together, and then I'm just going to be place it on my little tree. Just like so. Next, I'm going to be adding a little leaves on the tops, and also a little simple bow on top of the leaf, just like so. And that's it for the second tree. And now for the last DIY, I'm going to be using the ribbon that has like a little lace on the center, but I'm not going to use it that way, and start gluing it on the little tree, as you can see. But at the same time, I'm going to be just kind of fold it a little bit to make it look tight or even, just like so. And next, I'm going to be using a twine, just couple strings of twine, and just rolling around. And now I'm going to just place it on the bottom of my tree. I also know gluing a little bit on top, just cover the imperfection of the ribbon, just like so. And now I'm going to be just adding this little tassel that I have left over for previous DIY, and this other little pearl that I have around, and I just added it on top. And I think that's it for the last one. And I think they came out really cute. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know which one was your favorite one, number 1, number 2, or number 3. So if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you guys next time. Ciao ciao.